Hello, my name is Jennifer. I'm a dancer and a choreographer, and I'd like to work with you guys on a project that I'm calling Wonder Rooms. So, I've got two friends, Bridie and Nick, and they are amazing musicians. And they would come in and you would be able to direct them on the kinds of musics and sounds that make you feel really good, really happy, really well. And Bridie and Nick will try to play them for us. So with your help, we will compose music that sounds like wellness and happiness. And then, because I'm a dancer, we'll try to make up some moves that make us feel really good. Some dances, and maybe some poses that make us feel like our most awesome selves. And I've got another friend called Raquel, and she'll make us some costumes, maybe some headpieces or some capes or wings or whatever you think of that make you feel like your most amazing selves. And finally, my friend Jack will make some pictures and some videos of what we make. So it'll be composing music, dancing dances, having amazing costumes with photos and a video that all explore your ideas around wellness, happiness, and what makes you feel good. So yeah, I hope I see you soon.